Good morning students, welcome to Adari's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Today we'll learn about human resources planning. In last video we learned about human resources management. Now we learn what mean by human resources planning and how it's important for every organization. So let's start. Generally the term of human resources planning is concerned with manpower planning. Yes, because generally HRP is concerned with the planning for future manpower requirement of an organization. So it's involved estimating the size and composition of the future workforce. It's refer the estimation number and then the type of people needed during the ensuring period. So HRP is the process of forecasting an organizational future demand for supply of right type of people at the right number at the right place and right time. Here is I explain that it is continued process of systematic planning ahead to achieve optimum use of an organization most valuable asset. So human resources planning ensure the best fit between employee and job while avoiding manpower shortage of surplus. So HRP is included analyzing present labor supply, forecasting labor demand and balance project between labor demand and supply. So let's start to learn the definition of HRM. The HRM is generally, so keywords of HRM we go to see here, that is a strategy used by a company to maintain a steady stream of skilled employee while avoiding employee shortage or surplus. Even having a good HRP strategy in place can mean productivity and profitability of a company. So there are generally 4 steps in HRP process, that is first one is identify the current supply of employee, second one determine the future of the workflows, third one balance between labor supply and demand which is most important, and fourth one developing plan for support the company's goal. So these are the keywords of our HRM planning. Students, see it that in its slide, you in this picture you are going to see that the human resources planning are included with recruiting, hiring, compensation, training, evaluation and then benefit. Means in this little picture they are clear the HRP process very much, because they are clearly mentioned that every HRP manager must have to recruit, first have to recruit the employee, then hire right man for right job, then have to compensate, even then given a training of particular job, then evaluation is performance between the organization and they given a benefit too. Objective of HRM. Yes, here is the objective of HRM. First one is to ensure the optimum use of existing human resources. Second one, to forecast future requirement for HR, even to play a role of link of HR planning with organizational planning, even to provide control measure to ensure that necessary human resources are available as and when required, to assess the surplus and shortage of human resources, to determine the level of recruitment and training, and even to meet the need of expansion and diversification of program. So these are the objective of HR planning. Every HR manager need to focus on this objective and have to study about it for their recruitment. See in this diagram, HRP process are clear mentionedly that management are require skilled training personnel, even they recruit some or good people for right person or right job, even they hire these kinds of employee for their organization, then the employee are ability to maintain make a career in that organization of in human resources planning. Thank you student for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.